SlowCast English, Episode 26, At the Bus Stop.
Is this bus going downtown?
Yes, it is.
How long does it take?
About 20 minutes.
Good. Is it usually busy?
In the morning? Yes.
What about now?
Not too bad.
That's good.
Where are you going?
To the library.
Nice. I'm going to work.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thanks.
Introduction to this podcast. Bus Ride Conversation. Paul and Sara discuss the downtown bus route, its travel time, and busyness. Paul is heading to the library, while Sara is going to work. They exchange friendly farewells, highlighting a casual, informative exchange between passengers.